Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can delete duplicate contacts on iPhone. So open up your contacts on iPhone. So to show you I have duplicate, contacts, what I'm going to do is click on search. So I'm going to search for one of my friends. So as you guys can see, there is different contact with same name. Now this is called duplicate contacts. Now I'm confused, like which one is my friend? Like is the top one or the bottom one? So what I need to do is change one of my friend's name or delete the duplicate contacts. So this video is about deleting, so I will show you how to delete it. So I'm going to delete the bottom one because that's the fake one. I will click on his name and it's going to take me over here. Once I'm inside the contact of my friend, I need to click on edit at the top right of the screen. Once I click on edit, I need to scroll all the way down at the bottom and you will see the option called delete contact. Click on delete contact and click on delete contact again to confirm it. And one of the contact will be deleted just like this. As you guys can see, it has been removed. So that's how we guys can delete duplicate contacts on iPhone. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos just like this. I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.